So you are a planner. You like to be on track and on top of the work you and your team do. You know that great planning leads to great execution, and that great execution requires the best tool. Let us show you why Odoo Planning is the best tool with Paolo, the owner of a restaurant with the best pizza in town. First, he creates all the roles he needs, choosing which employees are part of each specific role. Doing it allows his employees to receive open shifts only for the roles they are assigned to. Then he sets his shifts templates with a start and end time. For the specific events he hosts, such as weddings and birthday parties, he also creates projects and tasks, making his life as simple as it could ever be. When it's time for Paolo to start planning his week, he likes to use the Gantt view, as it gives him a beautiful and clean overview of the shifts he's working on. He also prefers to do the scheduling based on the employees. This way, he can already see who is on vacation. And because he created his shifts templates in advance, the only thing left for him to do is send the schedule to the employees and echo. He doesn't even need to redo shifts. He can simply copy them from the previous week. Now Anna, who is part of Paolo's team, got her schedule. But she also got to know that her doctor's appointment had to be moved, making her unavailable for a specific shift. So she unassigns herself with a simple click, and the shift instantly becomes available for her colleagues to take. At the end of each week, Paolo checks the number of hours allocated to each employee, making sure no one is being overloaded. And done. Everything is set, and the restaurant is ready for another week of deliciose pizza and happy customers. Let's start using Odoo for your business too. Odoo, because amazing employees deserve amazing software.